the putting in place of these items bago magkakaroon ng contingent incident ay dapat maging picture na yun ng attitude ng Filipinos. How we're going to work it out, learning lesson at the same time the practicality of application. It is a standard. It is a normative standard and a normative content na mag-a-apply only kung maka-level ka sa tinatawag mong human dignity and protection of human rights. Walang kagandahang resettlement kung hindi siya basihan sa rights-based approach with dignity and human rights protection. Walang kagandahan ang resettlement or local integration or even return kung hindi siya basihan sa rights-based approach. There's no other recourse but through that. Meron kang ngang naibigay na tinatawag mong humanitarian and government assistance. But will it pass through the cudgels ng human rights-based approach? So maging issue na naman siya. Ibig sabihin, naibigay nga, huwag ka nang magreklamo. It's not about that. It's about kung kaya mo palang maibigay, gawin mo na sa daan ng RBA or rights-based approach. I think this is an eye-opener. The application of the principles on internal displacement, acceptable in practice and in custom. IDPs na nga sila, pero ang karamihan sa kanila, bago sila naging internal displaced person, dati na silang indigenous peoples. So, i-apply mo rin yung local and international laws, no? Na mga provisions on the protection of indigenous peoples vis-a-vis yung pagka-IDP niya. So, pwede mo naman siyang ipasayaw yung provisions on the protection of cultural minorities and the provisions on the protections of IDPs. Okay? So, all the more na double vulnerable siya. Okay? Na hindi lang IDP na ibalik mo siya, but rather yung pagka-sensitive, sa culturally sensitive siya as an IP. Talagang ibigay natin ito, lalo na sa local government direct implementor. Kasi constituents nila ito eh. So, ibig sabihin, we appeal on them, okay? Have this process of extending assistance, okay, in a larger magnitude na IDPs as victims, apply the rights-based approach on the principles of internal displacement. IDPs must be given a voice. They must be given the time and the space, okay, to ventilate everything coming from them. After all, they will be the owners of this development. Okay? Whether i-return mo sila, or i-integrate mo sila, or i-resettle mo sila, they must have a say. They must have their own voice.